Hello guys, welcome back to Repair Bears Match 3 Repair Part 4. Like and subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Let's do this. Match 3 Repair. Loading. I like this song always, every day. Okay then. This is taking a while, said I do not care at all. Wee. Okay, is it gonna start? Okay, it's start now. So we're actually gonna open the box. Except we need to reach level 20 first. Okay, let's do this. A butterfly. How can I even do that? Okay then. Okay. I do not have that much moves, so I need to use this wisely. Very, very wisely. Okay. That our dishes there. Why shouldn't I do that? Okay then. 9 moves. And these are my favorites. What? I already won? Okay then. Ooh. Still going. Okay, it's stopped now. The rounds are getting harder, so it's kind of getting easier for me. Ooh, a crab. A limited. Let's say that crab's gonna be unlimited for the rounds. Oh no. Ooh, what's he doing? Oh, okay. What? Oh. Okay. I'm done already. I am bring out Panda here. Okay. Okay. What can I chain reaction to do? There it is. It's going now. Go. Thanks for that. Okay, let's target right there. Oh no. Let's just react with that. I want to get money. How many are you gonna give me? 2? 2. You want you go there? I like those guys. Wait. Oh, boxes! I forgot about that. Should I make a burger? Or even a chain reaction? Done there. Still going? Okay. Okay. I want to see this explosion. Okay. And that was easy. Still going. Okay then. Oh my. I want to see this. Okay. Okay then. That was cool. What's next? What are we gonna face next? Oh, okay then. Why did he put it back here? I guess I could open the box already. Open the box. Okay, let's open the box. What could the box have? A crab. Oh, wait a second. Oh no, I know this one. I know what's gonna happen. I just watch it from TV. I know what's gonna happen here. I already watched that at the TV. Oh, look at him. He's eating popcorn. Oh, boxes? Okay. What could be bad from boxes? What is it? Oh. Oh, okay. Okay then. I'm not supposed to do that. Okay, let's do this. A burger. Trigger that train reaction. And okay, let's just trigger this. Trigger them all. Okay, let's break the boxes. I'm not even moving. Okay, this is getting hard. I said, fine, I could do this. Oh my. Oh, come on. Chain reactions. Double more. And more. I don't want to try to end this. This is satisfying to watch. Oh, come on. I want to trigger that butterfly. That was cool. Oh. Okay. Okay then. This guy. Really? So the box inside the box is just oh, what's happening? Oh no. Oh no. Wow. Okay. That's gone. Did so good. Very powerful. Yeah. Oh no. Okay. 2. You target that. You. Oh yeah, boxes also. So the most important first is those. Get those things out of here and make a chain reaction. Now we are done. Oh, still going? Okay. Okay then. That's a lot. I didn't spend that many moves. So, wow, that was satisfying. Now done. We are done here. I want to see the 2 butterflies again. I want to see that again. This is very rare to encounter again. Is it possible? Okay. Let's do this. Oh. Okay, I think I know what's the next one. Oh, so this is the final round. Okay, yeah. Are we doing the... Oh no! Okay. You already asked for this thing. Now another. You're dead. Okay. Go. Chain reactions. Infinite enough for me. Come on. I may have a little bit overkill here. So, boom. You? Wait, what's happening? Oh, you're like that. What? Okay. Okay. A little too many. No. Oh, I want to see that. Am I keeping the chances? I want more of those. Oh no. Oh my god. Anything. Why? I guess I got a new record. Okay. Just one? I want to explode the entire thing. Okay. I don't know why those things lag my game. I realize there's just couples of bushes. Also, this is okay. We have enough stars. We could do some upgrades. What? Nothing. I do not know what's gonna be the next one. So, oh, okay. After that, we open the box. Nothing new? Okay, let's open that. Oh. Finally it's out there. You know, they could get that much money. Oh! Oh! Who's there? Why did you did that? Okay. Ooh, what's this button do? Okay, nothing. Oh no, what's happening? Oh! Oh. That doesn't look good. Okay. Okay, then you could do that. Do I have enough Do I have enough stars for that? 1 minute? I'm kinda want to do that, except in the next video I will do that. Just for the trees. I don't want to get another minute. Okay then. Okay, fine. I will do this. I will show you in the next video what will happen. Just let him pick stuff. Do not mind. Oh no, not the TV. One. Wait, what? Okay. Okay. It's already picked. I'm so confused. What happened? Okay, the TV's back. Okay. I never known that I could fix that early. It costs 0 money. Wait. Oh, okay, I know now. I don't know why there's money in this game. Ooh, what's this? 2 missions. Yes. Why? 3 minutes. Oh no. 3 minutes. Fix it. Fix it. It's gonna cost 10 money. I could afford that. I could afford 10 money. I have lots of money. I have thousands. So, oh, garden. Okay. Put street lights. Okay, let's put street lights. Why not? Yeah. Flowers. Classic. Classic street lights. Flowers. I like these. Also, yeah, I need to change something here. Okay, I think I don't need. Does this take money? No, I don't want to spend my money. I do not want to spend my money today. Okay. Thank you for watching. Remember to keep safe out there, guys. Peace out. That was a good adventure.